Christmas is right around the corner, and that means your buyers are hosting parties, dinners, and Friendsmas nights. So today, we're creating a Christmas style invitation template that you can list and sell in your digital shop. All right, let's get into it. Let's start by picking a pre-made design. I'm going to scroll a bit, and we're choosing this one. It already has a great layout, so we'll just customize it to give it a Christmas Friendsmas vibe. First thing I'm doing is removing the flowers since they don't really fit the holiday theme. Now we can start editing the text so it feels more festive. I'm moving this text to the top and changing it to say, "Join us for a." And now for the main heading, we'll use "Merry Little Friendsmas." For fonts, I'm using a combination of Great Vibes and Limelight to keep it festive but still clean and readable. Now I'll start moving things around and adjusting the spacing so everything feels balanced. Once that looks good, I'm adding a small detail that makes this feel more personal for buyers, which is the name of the family or group hosting the event. And don't forget to swap September to December. These little touches really help buyers picture themselves using the template. Now that the text is in place, I'm double checking the fonts and sizes to make sure everything feels cohesive. At this point, we can have some fun with patterns. I'm heading to Elements, then Illustrations, and typing stripes into the search bar. I'll choose a red striped illustration, place it on the design, and resize it to fill the background. Once it's in place, let's go back to Elements, Shapes, and let's add this square. Now let's change the color to white and adjust the transparency a bit. You want to make sure it sits behind the text, making sure all the layers are positioned correctly and the text stays on top. I'm also choosing the same Christmassy red for the text, which instantly gives it that festive feel. For the final touches, I'm going back to Elements, then Illustrations, and typing in Christmas. We're just adding one small decorative detail here. This one right here is perfect. Let's give everything one final look, checking the spacing, colors, and fonts. And that's it. You just created a brand new Christmas Friendsmas invitation template that's ready to upload and sell in your digital shop.